Hi guys, let's make some apple juice. So first you want to start off by washing your apples. So this is how I wash my fruits, and this is lemon juice in this cup. It's freshly squeezed lemon, and you want to add that to your water like that and immerse your fruits in it. You don't want to use chemical like the vinegar and stuff because we'll be using the peel and you don't want that to taste in your fruits. So I use lemon juice, and you wash it properly and then you rinse them. And I'm using lemon juice to wash these apples because we'll be using the peel of it to make the juice. So you want to cut your apples to fit in your juicer, or if you're using a blender. And I'm cutting these in 4 pieces. And you want to remove the seed like this. Like that. And there you have it guys, our juice is all done. Freshly made apple juice. So good. This is so good guys. Freshly squeezed apple juice. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.